Hey everyone, I am Sheikh Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. English Assignment 1. Today's I would like to speak value driven and given by IB Hubs collaborated with Next Wave. What is IB Hubs? How it benefit us? That's a question. And just a period of a week, I have been watching these all webinars, especially S. Vijay Kumar sir and Anjali Sharma and some other members from IB Hubs. What I observed, what is the value they have given to me, would like to show today, would like to show light on today. Simply, most of us, especially unemployment and financial problem facing by everyone, from SSC failed candidates to IITians, everyone having problem with right employment and right financial stability. The question is our education system, our attitude given by our mentors, facilitators made something wrong with us. We keep on looking for jobs, but we don't keep on enriching our skills. So this IB Hubs understood the scenario, and they want to prepare the workforce which is adequate, which is enough for your 4.0 technology, which is 21st century skills. What is 21st century skills? What is 4.0 technology means? We must be good at all around, and we have to be very excelled in 2 to 3 industries. If you say, no, I am not in that industry, I don't know that part, then we are in the wrong mode. So that is what they taught us. We have to be aware with all different type of industries, and we must excel in our own industry of 2 to 3 areas. That is what given. IB Hubs has many branches, many programs. They have their foot in 7 countries, and in India they have 5 nodal offices. They have trained 25,000 students so far, and they have mentored 140 plus mentors. They have given mentorship and facilitation to many youngsters who has ideas but don't have financial, don't have consulting things. So the IB Hubs gave financial and consulting helps how to nurture their ideas, how to go ahead, how to make your ideas into implementation. They taught us. That is what the result of Niveda and Meghna. You most of aware about it. And they have started startup school in 2017 in Hyderabad and Lucknow. They have invented many miracles. They have made more than 80 plus applications, like Trashan, and many such startups emerged from IB Hubs. So IB Hubs give training which is enough and required for 4.0 technology. What does it mean 4.0 technology is the question. So that is, you should have a proper mindset up, and you should have a technology 4.0, and also you can have your management 4.0. In these modules, they will train you to the right attitude to handle challenges, to face failures, manage and improve your successes one after the other. So this is what your mindset, and you should have a long-term goal and short-term goal, and public management, people management, and business strategy and management, and psychological aspects of your brain. All things taught in our mindset program. Then after technology, the development, what is the developing technology, what is the 21st century skills, especially artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and all various coding, and they will teach you and they will put into the project and teach you. They don't just simply give you lectures. These IB hubs, the value is simple. They will make you in a team of very talented and skilled people, so that automatically you can learn with them, so you can take them as mentors. So they will provide you one personal coach, they will provide you visual coach, they will track your all development programs in IDP program. So along with this management and technology, they will also encourage you to be an entrepreneur. So most of us feel that if we get a job, that is enough. Once we get a job, again you want to shift that job, you don't satisfy that. So that is why you need to plan yourself, you need to assess yourself where you are and where do you want to go. They will teach you how to be a student and how to be an employee, how to be an employer, and how to be a freelancer, then how to be a investor, promoter. That is what the life cycle of all humans. So they will improve your entrepreneurship within you. They will unleash the potential within you. So they will tap the skill and they will nurture and improve that skill. Where do you want to go, and what are your aspirations, and what are your strengths and weakness. So along with that, they will mold you. In that same company, we have another next wave is another company bridging gap between industry and students and unemployed. They will provide you mock interviews and how to give interviews, how to place your resume which comes out of your competition and stand in a competition. They will provide you mock interviews and personal assessment. You will learn more about yourself and how to project yourself with a huge competition. Your resume, how to how to design your resume so that it will stand out from the competition. So next wave is also doing great job by collaborating with the IB hubs. So IB hubs has a long view. They have a world's top upskill center in California, and they would like to make their footprints every town of India, and wants to make India as a talent hub for the world. They wants to create world leaders from India. So especially from Telugu states, Hyderabad, and Kurnool, they made these efforts. They're training all youngsters who wants to change themselves, who wants to grow in their life. Whoever has this attitude, IB Hubs is there. So IB Hubs will provide you on the job training, on the go model. So you can, if you are strongly determined to get a job, within 45 days they will put you in a job. If you simply put your efforts along with them on the go model, within 45 days you can get into your desired job if you have a sheer determination within you. And we have a XPM program. XPM 4.4 is a mandatory to go for CCBP, continuous capability building program. So if you go with the XPM and CCBP also, you can get your job. If in a short term instantly you wanna go, then you have to go for on the go model. So very less price if you wanna learn industry and world renowned skills. Here it is a very less price. They are charging you very less price, and they will give you world reputed mentors in your hand. You can get insights from the top rank alumni of top MNCs. This is a IB Hubs has 200 permanent employees of IITs and IIMs. They have mentors from alumni of Fortune 500 companies like Google, Accenture, L&T, and whatnot. Many, whatever you name it. Their mentors, their alumni are there for you to guide you. So IB Hubs and Next Wave is doing tremendous job. Thank you so much, Vijay Kumar sir, for giving us this chance to improve ourselves. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.